Exciting news from BMW of North America. The all-new BMW X2 is revving up for a challenging adventure in this year's Rebelle Rally, one of the toughest off-road competitions in the USA. Taking on the grueling X-Cross class, the BMW X2 is in for an exhilarating ride. Behind the wheel are experienced Rebelle Rally competitors, Donaghe and Sedona Blinson. Andreas Meyer. It's a first for us to enter a BMW into this demanding competition. The Rebelle Rally is tough on both the team and the vehicle. We're eager to witness the all-new BMW X2 in action, guided by these skilled rally competitors. The BMW X2 is ready for off-road dominance, with a host of enhancements for severe off-road use. Equipped with Falcon Wildpeak trail tires, Rotiform ZMOM wheels, and a Thule caprock roof platform, this BMW X2 is a force to be reckoned with. Donaghe. Every year, I've competed in a different vehicle. Bringing a brand new model like the BMW X2 to this competition is a unique challenge. But with BMW's engineering, we're confident. It's a game changer. Sedona Blinson. Teaming up with BMW for the Rebelle Rally is a thrilling privilege. We're introducing BMW to the Rebelle community and showcasing the X2 in this ultimate proving ground. It's an honor to collaborate with such an esteemed brand. Stay tuned as the 2023 Rebelle Rally kicks off and the BMW X2 takes on the desert. Watch this space for updates on this thrilling adventure.